So I want to talk business, but first I want to talk about this person right here, Simone Biles. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, I think it's been really hard to disagree that she is one of the greatest gymnastic athletes of all time. Now, this could be one of the last opportunities she has to go to the Olympics, especially with some of the other things that are starting to pop up. But it struck a little bit of a personal note for me. What do you think it's like being so good at something, known for something, that your entire identity is attached to this something? And what happens when you can't do it anymore? Now, luckily for her, she's got sponsors and she's made tons of connections that she's actually going to be able to leverage that. What about the rest of us? If you've been in a particular industry or career path, that's how you identify. And when that disappears, what do you do? It's almost like having an existential crisis, and starting something new is going to be super scary. But it doesn't have to be. What if you could do something new and different that wasn't scary? What if there was a support system there for you?